Hello, hey, I am Sikandar Aburaki from Tute Plus 24. Today I am going to show you a robotic car which has the feature of smart braking system. This is the four-wheel robotic car. This car is driven from two sets of lithium-ion batteries. Here I am using two lithium batteries to give support to this motor drive. Here I am using Arduino nano microcontroller, one LCD display. Here I am using another two sets of lithium batteries, and here I am using ultrasonic sensor. So the main feature of this robotic car is that if any obstacle comes in front of the car like this, then the car will be stopped, and at the same time here in the LCD display the distance of the obstacle will be displayed. And another feature of this robotic car is that if after running a long time, if we press this button, the robotic car will go in sleeping mode like few hours. Here for the demonstration purpose I set the sleeping time for 2 minutes. Now I am going to start the car. And another switch is here. So the car is getting started. Car is moving condition and car is moving. So if I place obstacle in front of the sensor, then it shows applied braking and the distance is 15 centimeter. If I remove the obstacle, it will start automatically. And so it is working with the distance of the obstacle. And now if I press the sleeping mode button, car is in sleeping condition. So this is the system. So after 2 minutes the car will be started automatically. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need this robotic car, you can contact with me. Thank you for watching.